Hey guys, welcome to Malty Monday. It's coming up to the end part of September, kind of early fall right now, and that's always Oktoberfest season, right? So we're going to feature some German beers probably over the next little bit. The first one up is not one that's like traditionally associated with Oktoberfest. It's a German-style Hefeweizen from a local brewery called TF Brewing, Templin Family Brewing. Kevin Templin, the head brewer and owner there, really likes German beer. He goes over to Germany every chance he gets. He loves traditional German beer styles. This is a traditional Bavarian-style Hefeweizen. You can see I poured it not all that well because this style, this is called the Ethereal Leichte Weisse. It is very ethereal because it's very highly carbonated and the high wheat content. You know, Weiss beer in German is usually wheat beer. And that high wheat content gives it this cloudiness, but also this big, huge, fluffy head, right? So that's why it's kind of ethereal. It's like a cloud, right? So really tasty. A lot of German beers are lagers, but a Weiss beer is always a ale, and it's actually produced with a special yeast that produces like wonderful kind of fruity and spicy notes. So the classic profile that people will say is banana and cloves. And I know that sounds weird if you're not familiar with it in a beer, banana and cloves, but it actually goes really well. It's super traditional, and it's an excellent beer to pair with food. Cool. Especially cheese.
Yeah, and just kind of going by the book, traditionally those classic Hefeweizen flavors, they go great with Brie-style cheeses, and I thought it'd be cool. Templin's one of my favorite local spots to get beer here, so I thought it'd be cool to do something local. Park City Creamery is doing some really cool stuff. This is their Treasure, which is their small format Brie. What I love about this, what I think went well, is it's not overpowering. It's a little bit more mild, and it's got this really cool, like, slight salty finish that I thought went really cool with that. These guys do a couple other small style breeds that are cool. They do Hidden Treasure, which has truffle, and if you're a truffle fan, I definitely recommend trying that. They do a really cool goat's milk cheese called Silver Queen as well that has this nice, like, vegetable ash that was really fun. But this is by far what I thought was the best with that beer. I thought they worked really good together.
Right. Big fluffy head. I love these beers. They're kind of low on hops. So if you're an IPA fan, this is kind of at the opposite end of the spectrum. Really yeast forward, really fruity, slightly spicy, and then huge mouthfeel from that wheat. And just a little bit of tang. Makes it really refreshing. A lot of Germans love Hefeweizens in the summer months.
Yeah.
Which is why they're perfect for right now, kind of right before we get into Oktoberfest fully.
Yeah, guys, and I think it's kind of neat how we have such a lot of cool local beer going on, but also a lot of cool local cheese kind of going on. And Corinne's one of kind of like leading the charge on that. Park City's doing some really cool stuff. So if you're into like local, small, Brie-style cheeses, check them out. She's doing really cool stuff.
It is good. We have some classes coming up. Check out the website.
We haven't had one in a while, but
yeah,
we got like cider coming up.
Yeah, and we actually have a fall an
beer.
autumn-themed beer class, which should be a lot of fun. We'll probably do something a little bit Oktoberfest themed for part of that class. So if you're curious, you want to learn more about the fall flavors incorporated in beer, come check it out.
Yeah, guys. Thanks.